Let me show you the correct way to use the Hostinger coupon code 2026, because if you do it wrong, you might miss the full discount. Hostinger already gives huge discounts by default, and this method adds an extra 20% on top, so in total you will get discount up to 95% based on the plan you choose. This is only for new users, not applicable for the existing Hostinger account. Now follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Click the special Hostinger coupon code link in this video description. Step 2. Choose the hosting type you need, like web hosting, VPS hosting, cloud hosting, or agency hosting. Once you select your hosting type, scroll down. See here, referral code applied successfully, which means the referral discount of extra 20% is applied. Now choose the plan you need, usually single, premium, or business. Take your time to choose the best plan you want. Now click on Choose Plan. You'll land on the order summary page. Here select your billing period, 12, 24, or 48 months. The longer the plan, the lower your monthly price, so if you want the maximum savings, go with 48 months. See here, the referral discount is applied. Next, click Continue. Now enter your email and create a password. Important tip, use a fresh email that hasn't been used on Hostinger before, because sometimes existing accounts don't show the full promotional pricing. Now click Register. You'll be taken to the payment page. Choose your preferred method like credit card, UPI, etc. Once the payment is done, you'll receive a confirmation email, and that's it. Your deal is successfully claimed. It literally takes just a couple of minutes. I tested this method recently, and it's still working, so you can try it right now.